All right. So Highland was a bust. When I got there, it was raining, and they shut down the lift. I'm sure the storm's probably gone by now, but I did not want to just wait around all day. So I called it quits and decided to come to Horse Hill. And I realized I've never filmed in Horse Hill. It is very pretty here, very beautiful. My bike is filthy. I am filthy from running down the mountain at Highland when it was soaking wet. Horse Hill is a place that can be challenging, can also be easy, depending on which route you take. I usually feel a little bit challenged when I come here. It's nothing, I mean, they have some gnarly stuff here, but just wanted to kind of make a little video for anybody that was curious about it, so you could see a little bit of this beautiful place. What's up, man? So this is my second ride of the day. So I'm just gonna do the loop trail, which is, I don't know, about 8 miles, 7 miles total. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's get into it. Now, this place is very rocky and rooty, so I do a lot of standing up on the bike. It's all right. It's a bunch of climbing, but that's New England. So, yeah. Steep little climb right here. If you watch these videos, you'll notice a pattern of me huffing and puffing. It's because I weigh 270 pounds. So, yeah. I huff and puff a lot. Still don't know all the lines here yet. Whew. See, it's chunky the whole way. It is chunky, that's for sure. It's pretty hot today. It was pretty cool at Highland Mountain because of the storm. Oh, bad line. Hi, how are you, man?
Nice bike.
Thanks. How we doing? Hey, hey, what's up, man? Got some stuff you can get playful on, like that. It's pretty cool. We'll drop here. Another one. Another one. Woo! That whole section right there. It's kind of fun. It is very pretty out here. Very rocky, very rooty. So it's kind of techie. A lot of hills, elevation changes. There are some pretty substantial hills here that if you're not in shape, they'll get you. always forget that part. And learning that speed and momentum are your friend on a mountain bike. However, I'm not that fast of a rider, so a lot of times I take the wrong line. I've gotten faster, but still learning how to climb and things like that. I always like to stop right here for a second. It's very pretty. This hill is usually pretty tough to climb for me. So I'm a big boy. I have a lot of weight to carry. I'm a fat guy, so climbing's pretty tough for me. Stuff that people can just fly up, I struggle with. I struggle with climbing. Luckily, this bike is a mountain goat. It can get up and over just about anything. Problem is, I can't. Oh, jeez. More climbing because this is New England. Everything goes uphill. Go back down, which means, you guessed it, we're going back up. I think this is more fun going the other way, but I'm not sure. Over that rock. Ooh, that was a hard impact to the rear wheel. Ooh, dang. Fat bike saved me there. Oh, section here is chunky. And this is probably, going this way, my least favorite part of the trail. This cool little rock garden, it's always pretty neat. Whoops, I almost lost the pedal. Alright, this is the suckiest part, coming this way. This isn't even the steep hill. Hills are what get me. You get everybody, but drop here. This hill here. Oh, God, this one sucks. I hate this hill. Oh my goodness. This hill is terrible. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, that sucks. Pretty cool view right here too. See all the power lines, and it's pretty neat. This is about maybe close to halfway. I don't know, maybe not quite halfway. Section here. Hills and roots. Hills and roots. That's New England. Little burst of speed, right back to climbing. I'm wiped. Energy's gone. Oh, still have a lot left. A lot of trail left. So you can go up to the top there. It's a fun little trail. Brings you up to the summit, which is a pretty nice view. I'm done. I'm wiped. Energy is drained almost completely. Oh my goodness. Another hill. How did I come this way again? You'd think as much climbing as I do, I'd be in better shape. I feel like I should be an Olympic athlete by now. Up and over. I love the sounds of mountain biking now. Tires, the free wheel hub. We're nearing the end of the ride here. This little section of climbing, and this is it. Hello. Oh, you're fine. Have a nice hike, ladies.
You too.
Take care. And that's Horse Hill. So if you're in the Merrimack area, Nashua, Amherst, all that, and you like biking, you owe it to yourself to check it out. There's a bunch more trails. I'm just tired, so loop only today.